That's why this one is for you to all mothers out there. Run away from their problems. If you're not available for them, then what will happen? It's really essential in this digital world. So this is not our generation. These are Gen Z. If our goal is what? Our goal is to correct their behavior, right? If our children's childhood will never come back. Learning, falling and rising again. Hello everyone, welcome to Sheran's Corner. Before we get started, let me tell you, please watch this video as a heartfelt conversation between you and me. I'm going to share some of my thoughts and experiences as a mother, so let's get started with that. Many of us really think that our childhood was like a heaven. It was not like this generation, right? You know what, in my perspective, in earlier time, children had a genuine happiness on their faces, even though life was not always easy for many families. Parents used to struggle a lot, and even discipline was strict than today. Yet childhood was filled with laughter. The biggest reason for this was the constant presence of their mothers in children's lives. And the second most important thing is what? As we all know, in those days, social media was not even exist. That's why this one is for you to all mothers out there. I know you're busy. I know the world is demanding. But even then, listen to your kids' stories. Celebrate their little victories. Scold them when they're wrong. But please, please be present for them, not only physically but emotionally as well. Because today's generation kids don't themselves come to us for guidance or to get help. Because they have an easy access of what? Internet to get their own answers or to run away from their problems only. If you're not available for them, then what will happen? Then they have many options to get distracted. Now please don't label it as a pampering the child. There is a fine line between pampering your child and being present, guiding them and offering them a sense of security is not pampering. It's really essential in this digital world where we see many children are having their meals with scrolling on phone, not even tasting the food with their senses. In this case, we have to take an extra efforts to reduce their screen time. What we can do? While having meal, make them busy telling your office or childhood stories, which may imaginary ones, only to get them involved in the conversation and to encourage them to share their stories with school and tuition friends. If possible, connect your phone with your TV screen so that they would not to keep an extra watch on kids to see what they are watching. Don't allow them to download games in your mobile phones, so they will find their own way to get indulged in indoor games. Let them play outdoor games with their friends as much as possible. Because only lecturing them about dangers of digital world may not always be effective. Rules and disciplines are necessary, but they should be rooted in love, not in fear. Because this is not our generation, these are Gen Zs. If child knows their actions will only result in punishment each and every time, and sometimes not even knowing the reason of punishment, then what will happen? They will start hiding their actions rather than to stop. Our goal is what? Our goal is to correct their behavior, right? If we try to pull them forcefully, they may rebel, resist, or retreat further into their digital comfort zone. What I'm trying to say is, not every mistake requires a punishment. Sometimes a calm conversation and explanation can have a more lasting impact. We should focus on solutions. Mothers, our kids don't just need food, clothes, and education. They need emotional security and feeling of being truly seen and heard. Yes, our career and ambitions are really important. I can completely understand. But one more important thing is what? Our children's childhood will never come back. Nowadays, in this fast-paced robotic world where everything is about deadlines, competition, it is really crucial to strike a balance between our work and parenting. As I told you at the starting of this conversation only, this is not any lesson I am telling you. I am one of you in this path of motherhood, learning, falling and rising again. So let's walk hand in hand. After all, no mother walks alone. We are bound by same worries, same love, and what? Same dreams for our children. So please feel free to drop a comment if you have any queries or advice or solution. And thanks a lot for watching this video till the end. Thank you once again. And don't forget to share and subscribe this channel.